Oh no! The math of life has got math in it. Over here, if I put 500 pounds on this right triangle and 500 pounds over here, because of the weights coming in and going down, it creates a 1.41 gain. But to look at it a little bit more caveman style, if I, a moron, was hanging at this end and a dissimilar female moron was over here, and in time we folded, condensed together, we would create levity of moronity. If I was angry, forced energy, and somebody over here was angered, get pissed, we would be like this over here, condensing in, getting smaller. Moronity, anger. No matter what energy, there's a 1.41 gain. If this was you and your siblings are here, either they're going to condense in if you don't plan anything, or if you get them to share together going out, they grow outward. As they grow outward, you grow outward and gain. If you don't work with people to create an outward motion, because there's always a 1.41 gain, it will either condense in or expand out. This seems to work on every energy.